Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, if you've been around the channel for a while and you're not yet impressed with the Hot Logic portable oven, stick around. This might just do it for you. All right, family, let me lay it out for you. I have a 1 o'clock medical appointment. I have a couple of options. I could have eaten my lunch at my lunch hour, which is from 11:30 to 12:15-ish. My appointment is at 1 o'clock. I don't do so well if I eat before a medical appointment. No matter how simple or how minor the appointment is, I got that stomach thing going on. I'm nervous. So I choose to eat after any medical visit, procedure, no matter the case. All right, with that being out of the way, I could have warmed up my food in the microwave at work and eaten it there right before my medical procedure. That's a no-no. I could wait until I get back to my job around 1:30, 1:45 and eat. I am a growing boy. That's a no-no. I don't like going hours between meals. I really don't like going minutes between meals, but that's neither here nor there. The thing is, I put my meal in the Hot Logic before I left my job site. I had about a 15-minute drive. Hopefully, I'm here at my medical procedure about 15 minutes early. Hopefully, it only lasts 15 or 20 minutes. When I come back to the Jeep, I will come back to a hot, ready-to-go, non-microwaved meal. And by the way, in the comment sections, when you see what Lady Red prepared for me, if you're familiar with that meal, that salad, what it's called, put it in the comment section below. And at the end of this video, we'll have a brief discussion as to what it's called, why it's called, and what connection that has to Lady Red. All right, family, I'm gonna go inside my medical procedure. I'm gonna go inside this the building, hopefully take care of my medical procedure in rapid order, and we'll be back. We'll pull my lunch out. We may eat right here in the parking lot. I got a beautiful spot here with a tree right behind me. I got nice coverage, nice shade. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. I should be back in a half hour or so to a piping hot, Hot Logic provided meal. Stay tuned. All right, fam, we have made it back to the Jeep. My medical procedure is over. It took about the appropriate amount of time. It's just the fact that I was about a half hour early, and my appointment was at 1 o'clock, and I guess 12 to 1 is all of their lunch hours. The lady who helped me was actually about 15 minutes early back from lunch, and she went right ahead and jumped in on my procedure. With that being said, that salad has been in the Hot Logic for about an hour and a half now. Maybe a little longer, an hour and 45 minutes. I'm not a fan of hot lettuce, and if you saw that salad in the opening clip, you'll notice that that is lettuce, tomatoes, there is meat there, but the key component is French fries. And like I said in the beginning of this video, if y'all are familiar with that salad, put it in the comment section below and we'll discuss it at the end of this video, the who, where, and why. All right, family, I am leaving my procedure and I'm going to head back toward my job. We may stop off at a park and have a quick lunch. Make sure that person has his turn signal on, but I don't trust turn signals. All right, we may stop off at a park up the road here and have us a quick lunch and then make our way back. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna find our next destination and bring this video in for a landing. right, fam. We decided to come back to our work site. I didn't care for that park that I was going to stop and have lunch at. It has somewhat of a reputation. There's a school right next door, elementary school. The sheriff sitting there. The old guy sitting out at this Jeep, eating lunch, watching the school kids play. Maybe not so inviting. All right, fam. Like I said, I'm not a fan of hot lettuce, but due to the circumstances today, I had to do what I had to do. I could have taken the lettuce, separated it, put it in a separate container, just heated up my meat and my fries, but nah, sometimes you gotta power through and do what you gotta do. Fam, I love this meal. I actually will put some ketchup on this in normal circumstances. That's right, ketchup on my fries, my pork steak, and my lettuce. Ha! Love it and leave it, baby. All right, family. I'm not gonna draw this video out. Like I said, if you don't like the Hot Logic now, or if the Hot Logic hasn't at least been put on your radar, if you don't have some interest in it, then you just don't. You eat at home, you believe in microwave, you believe in the oven, whatever the case may be. But this is the most convenient, freshest, purest way that I know how to cook a meal, or to heat up a meal, to maintain a meal. I can't think of any other way that's this inviting, I'll say, for lack of a better word. It's perfect. I drove to my destination, half hour, 45 minutes from my procedure, drove back to the work site 15 minutes, piping hot. Actually, I cut it off 15 minutes early because I didn't want it too hot, because that's what the Hot Logic could do. If you pull it directly out of the Hot Logic at 165 degrees, that can be first aid burn situation. All right, family. Now, as promised, if you did not look this up, a salad, lettuce, some type of vegetables with the meat with fries on top, is called a Pittsburgh salad. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the home of the Pittsburgh Steelers. I don't know how they came up with this particular salad, but I love it. And the connection that it has with Lady Red is she was born and raised 1 hour north, I think it is, of Pittsburgh. So this is part of her DNA. I don't even know if she knows it's called a Pittsburgh salad, but that tells me why it has such a connection to her, such a draw, because she just all of a sudden started making this early in our marriage. And like I say, from time to time, she'll make a Pittsburgh salad. All right, family. I'm not gonna bore y'all with this video any longer. I just had to throw a Hot Logic video in there. I thought that would be the perfect timing, since I was headed to an appointment and I was gonna use the Hot Logic to help me make it through my day and be timely. And believe it or not, y'all, I use my Hot Logic almost daily, whether I'm at work, not at work, whether I'm fishing, whether I'm camping. I use some type of heating apparatus, some type of hot plate heating portable stove apparatus. With that being said, I have a new one, and I'm going to introduce it to y'all here in the next week or two. Matter of fact, I think it would make a good Christmas present. I've been testing it, and it works well. All right, family, I bored y'all enough. Y'all take care. Y'all have a great day. Y'all give your boy a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next one. I'm going to finish off this Pittsburgh salad. Peace.